What is up, guys? Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And yes, I am French, but I do speak fluent Spanish as well, as I did work as a winemaker in Spain. And we are looking at how to pronounce this name that is the equivalent of the French AOC or the French AOP or a DOP, which is essentially the name of any appellation, wine appellation in Spain, Denominación de Origen. So this is essentially a geographical indication of origin, the equivalent in Italy of the Denominazione di Origine Controllata. But in Spain, you will find that the most wine regions have a DO, a Denominación de Origen, essentially the AVA, what would be called in the United States an AVA, in France an AOC or an AOP. In Spain, it's called a DO, Denominación de Origen. Denominación de Origen, but it'd be fine to say Denominación de Origen. Denominación de Origen if you cannot pronounce proper Spanish, but otherwise Denominación de Origen. Denominación de Origen. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye bye.